I can't tell if this bird is dead. Can they die like that? It's freaking me out. Oh, no, that's just the wind. Is it asleep? This bird is really freaking me out. Is it a baby bird? It looks kind of quiet. What is it even doing? Do birds die looking up? All perched on a fence. I think I'm gonna poke it with a stick. I hope it doesn't attack. Or fall off. That'd be disgusting. Ooh, I think it's breathing. Yeah, it's definitely breathing. Is it paralyzed? I have no idea. This is the weirdest thing. Did it just move its head? I think it just moved its head. Cool bird, nevertheless.